Welcome guys, here in this presentation we will discuss types of data structure. So let's get started. Here we have two types of data structures. One are linear data structures and the other ones are non-linear data structures. So let's discuss them one by one. First of all, linear data structures. Data structures is linear when all the elements are arranged in a linear sequential order. If the elements are arranged in linear order or sequential order, then we can say that the data structure is linear data structure. As we have these four examples, arrays are linear data structures, and queue are linear data structure too, and then stack and linked list. These are the examples of linear data structures. When each element of data structure has one predecessor and one successor, then we can say that data structure is a linear data structure. It means that like here we have three has one predecessor and the one successor. Here we have in linear data structure we have exception of last element and first elements, predecessor and successor. And here we have in queue, like we have this element and this is its predecessor and this is its successor. And then non-linear data structure. A data structure is non-linear when all the elements are not arranged in a linear sequential order. There is no linear arrangement of the elements. Like we have these two examples of non-linear data structure. The first one is tree. How tree is non-linear? Like here this is a node. Okay, these are all the nodes. If we are taking this node, this has one predecessor and two successors. So this has not one predecessor and not one successor. Then we can say it non-linear data structure. The tree is not linear because this doesn't have one successor and one predecessor. Okay, and the graph is same like tree. Like if we are taking this or anything, like this is one predecessor or two, okay, and this is not also one predecessor and one successor. So we can say that the graph is not a linear data structure. It is a non-linear data structure. Okay, after understanding this difference between linear data structure and non-linear data structure, let's even go further. So further distinctions, we have two more data structures. The one is static data structure and the other one is dynamic data structure. So static data structure are those data structures where the memory is allocated at compile time, therefore maximum size is fixed. Okay, so that if we are taking this in this type of data structure, the memory is allocated at the compile time. Advantages of static data structure is fast access. We can, like this is an array. So this is example of static data structure. If we are compiling this, so we can access these elements faster than dynamic, or we can say that anything else. And the disadvantage here is slower insertion and deletion operations. We can access these elements faster, but if we perform an insertion and deletion operations here, so it will be slower. Okay, and if we come to dynamic data structures, In these type of data structures, the memory is allocated at runtime, therefore maximum size is flexible. So when the memory will be allocated at runtime, when user will decide the size and size, and that case the size is flexible. So you can clearly see that there is nothing like data structure is better than other. If we are we are using static, and its advantage is faster access, and a disadvantage of static data structure is slower insertion and deletion. And in dynamic we have completely distinct, like advantage is faster insertion and deletion, disadvantage is slower access. We have example here: linked list, data, address, and if we access this, it will access slower. And then insertion of data or address of anything, we can insert it faster and then delete it faster than arrays or static data structures. That's all for it. Thank you for watching.